What is the digital twin? It's this concept of a digital representation of a product or process that is done in the real world. You'll see examples of this in our visual demonstration of reverse engineering, convergent modeling, and validation later on. The digital thread is another important concept. Digital threads are here to guide your way to success. They do this by connecting all tasks and processes in your value chain together. The processes I will demonstrate are all important parts of the digital thread. This is because of the need for downstream compatibility. So, market trends are showing a need for faster and more frequent use of scan data within companies. Companies couldn't use scan data in the past, and now companies are scanning data in the shop. Companies now have analyst data and faceted data from their scans. They can perform competitive analysis through this technique. Companies can also scan parts which have been out in the field and compare them with the original CAD data to see how they've held up. So, industry challenges, some of them are that legacy designs do not have documentation, and companies are only able to find old drawings for these designs. Legacy part manipulation is required in a manner that would be quick and precise. So they have to figure out how to do that. Sources of reverse engineering would be wood, clay, or wax models. These models are built in the shop, they're scanned in, converted to CAD data, and if you need to scan in existing designs, you can build them and make them new again. This process can be used in a number of different ways. For example, dies, parts, and competitive analysis. The scan process is not simple, but it is fairly straightforward. You start by scanning in your data, importing the data into your CAD system, and then using commands like smoothing and curvature and draft. And then you can evaluate the design using sections, measurements, and other tools. Finally, you can repair the data by working on it with commands such as snip and fill holes.